What's the meaning of Carol Reed? Carol Reed. Carol Reed.
Carol Reed. Carol Reed. Carol Reed was a British film director known for his cinematic masterpiece, The Third Man. He started his career in the film industry as an assistant director in the 1930s, but quickly rose to prominence with his own directorial efforts. His films were often characterized by their dark and moody atmosphere, complex camera work, and attention to detail. Reed received multiple awards throughout his career, including an Academy Award for Best Director for Oliver, in 1968. His contributions to the film industry continue to be celebrated today.